Hi! In front of me is the DOOGEE S95 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings, then scroll down a bit, select Security and tap on Screen Lock. Over here, pick one of the login methods by clicking on the one that you wish to set up, pattern, PIN or password. Then select Yes or No by clicking at the bottom right or left corner and enter your screen lock. When you're ready, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it, and tap on Confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I want to go with Show All Notifications Content, so I have to click on this option and save my changes by clicking Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!